Hello all and welcome to another vocabulary practice video. Let's learn some new verbs and phrases. Create. Create means to make something new or original that did not exist before, as for example, to make a work of art. Artists are usually very proud of their creations. And their motto is usually this: think big, think different, think out of the box, be creative. A valuable piece of advice that a creative person would probably give you is that the best way to predict the future is to create it. Wave. The word wave is a very common noun. Waves are those interesting and magical shapes that the sea water forms, but the same word is used as a verb, and wave is this exact motion of our hand when we try to say hello or goodbye. This girl, for example, is waving at us. This family is waving to say goodbye to somebody. Probably they are our friends, why not? And of course, this motion of the waves can be transferred to other objects, such as a flag that is waving in the wind or trees waving in the wind. Compost. Compost means to make decaying plants and vegetables into compost. And what compost is, it is a mixture of decaying plants and vegetables that is added to soil to improve its quality. Potting compost can be an interesting pastime for the whole family. Reduce. Reduce means to make something smaller or less in size or importance. Many stores, for example, often reduce the prices of products to the minimum in order to make a sale. Consider. Consider means to think that something may be true or to have a particular opinion. This group of people, for example, seem to be considering lots of things in order to make a decision. Sometimes we may need to consider a situation before we make a decision, as for example, what to eat, or in other words, what to consume. Consume. Consume means to eat or drink something or to use a supply of something, such as energy. We can say, for example, that industry, cars, or amusement parks consume lots and lots of energy, or in other words, excessive amounts of energy. Participate in. Participate in means to take part in something, for example, to attend an event or be together with other members in a group, and in general to be a part of a whole thing, something that lots of people do together. Be proactive in doing something. Be proactive means taking action and making changes before they need to be made, rather than waiting until problems develop. When it comes to environmental issues, for example, fortunately, there are many professionals that are proactive in using alternative energy resources. Time for you to repeat. Create. Create. Wave. Wave. Compost. compost, reduce, reduce, consider, consider, consume, consume, participate in, participate in, attend an event, attend an event, be proactive in doing something, be proactive in doing something. See you next time. Thanks for watching.